Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can delete recent calls history on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. Now first let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on the phone application. Next, tap on Recent tab at the bottom. And in here, it will show you all the recent calls that you have just made. So to remove a single record, you can swipe across and then tap on delete. You can also tap on the edit button, and this will allow you to delete multiple records at once. So you can just simply tap on delete like that. Now while you can't actually select all of them at once, but you can kind of like in edit mode, and then you can just quickly delete them one by one like so, and then tap on done when you're finished. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.